the American Welding Society Careers in Welding trailer. What we do with this trailer, it's a national tour. We do a 14-week tour. We go all the way this year. We're going from California all the way up to Maine. This year, the American Welding Society Foundation, which this trailer is sponsored through, we hit a milestone number of over $3 million awarded to students across the country seeking education in welding. So this tour basically brings awareness to the trade as a whole, and then also our scholarship opportunities available at a national level. So inside, what we do every day that we're exhibiting on the road, we give out a $1,000 scholarship. And that scholarship can be used anytime within a 5-year period to any school offering any type of welding training program, from certificate level all the way up to university level. So inside, we've got a couple of different Lincoln Electric Vertex 360 simulators. We also have some different career information on the wall, some videos, pictures, non-destructive testing wall, a pressure vessel that was made by Chandler Vincent from WorldSkills USA. It was one of the competitors back in, oh gosh, I don't know if it was like 2018 or 2016 now, but quite a few years back, so that's also inside. So if you guys want to come in, you can check it out. And it's air conditioning, so that's the best part of a hot summer day, right? So this is our NDT wall that we have. So we have everything on here showing from ultrasonic, mag particle, and X-ray testing, and then even some dye penetrant up there. So people can come in and kind of learn a little bit about what industries these types of testing is being done in. So this right now is going over some ultrasonic. So anybody looking to go get into maybe destructive or non-destructive testing, get a little information here when they first come in. This, 2017 it was, Chandler Vincent did one of these pressure vessels here for WorldSkills USA. That pressure vessel actually was one of his practice vessels even now, and it's virtually flawless. So it's pretty impressive, and I believe there's 3 different types of welding processes done on there, all in position. MIG, TIG, and stick welding has been done on that there. So that's over there, and then over here, as you can see, we're able to host quite a few people in here at a time. So we've got our 4 Vertex 360s there, our career information and different videos on the walls. These simulators actually give them real-time feedback. So they're actually able to see kind of what they're doing with everything from travel speed, work angle, travel angles, contact tip to work distance, and position. It'll actually grade them as they're working, and they'll be able to see those scores and kind of where they need to work on. We also have some art pieces here. This is a sculpture that Barbie the Welder and myself made for the American Welding Society. Back in 2020, I believe we made this. It was part of a whole little series that we did. So yeah, so it's Statue of Liberty donned as a welder. So over here we have our career tablets. They just highlight a bunch of different just career pathways within the industry. It goes over salary information, basically what's starting national average salaries, go-getter salaries, and then different basically skill sets kind of required for that industry and maybe where you might find these jobs. So that's on there. We got some other artwork that's been donated on this wall. We have stuff from awesome metal artist Sarah Stork. This is from my co-host on the Netflix show, Metal Shop Masters. David Madero made this for the Netflix show that we did, weld.com, I believe it is.